Hey NP family, welcome back to NPTressTreats TV, where I talk to you all things NPTressTreats. So today I'm going to give you a quick little scarf inspo video tutorial. So this is the October scarf for the October for Scarf Club members. So if you are a Scarf Club member, you received this beautiful scarf, and if you are not a Scarf Club member, you didn't. So don't forget to sign up to make sure you get your next beautiful scarf, right? Because how freaking gorgeous is this scarf? It's giving me life. So the tutorial today is going to be a quick what I like to call like a twisted knot style, because it has like a little knot in the front and it's super easy. So you're going to take your scarf, you're going to fold it in half like this, and then you're going to take it and then you're going to fold it again and then again. So even though this scarf is kind of bright, it's giving a little bit of summer, but it also gives fall with like the yellows and the oranges. And so it's kind of like leaves falling, you know? So, or like the fallen leaves from a tree. So yeah, so you're going to take it and you're going to keep folding it into what I call like a headband style. And so it's going to look like this, like kind of like just a headband. So then you're going to take that, take it around the nape of the neck back here. And then you're going to bring the two ends together and then bring them up like this. And then you want it to be kind of open on the side like that, just so you can see all the pretty colors. So you're going to take it, make sure it's even, and you're going to crisscross it, boom, and then crisscross it again, boom, and then that's where you create the knot, right? So now you have the knot created there. And you're going to take the two ends back around the nape of the neck, you know, fix it so you can see all the pretty colors, and then you're going to take it and then tie it in the back like so. And then I decided to pair it with like an orange top because it's given fall. And then of course I'm going to put on my hoop earrings because I love hoop earrings. So my gold hoop earrings. And there you have it. So that is the inspo style for fall for the October scarf. And you can do this style with any of our scarves, but this was the October Scarf Club. So I hope you can use this tutorial. If you have any questions, send us an email at info@nptresstreats.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love ya.